What's going on, everyone? JakeOfALL, 2-minute tool review. So we're gonna go quick. And yes, I absolutely put it in this Eureka 3D printed mini PACKOUT. Eureka 3D, they're on all over the internet if you just Google it. But yes, check this out, okay? So this thing is insanely powerful. I like that this cone is magnetic. It's funny if you look on Amazon. So this one is the Votan, you know, the guy that made Tom Hanks a lot bigger. So this has a massive battery bank. It's USB-C rechargeable. It's funny, some of them call them air compressors. They're air dusters, turbojet fan. This thing has the power, and its majority of this bottom half is all battery. And you could do a lot of stuff with it. You saw us working on the 3D printers with it. Great for electronics, working on the computer, getting in there. And with these, unlike the air compressor when I used the Milwaukee one, those oiled compressors always have oil in the line. So I'm not gonna have oil getting into my expensive 3D printers, my computers, so on and so forth. But this thing is powerful. It's got so much power that, as you can see, has no problem blowing leaves, debris, things like that. Speaking of debris, you're working on the car, okay? You could use this on the interior, but you could also go into the engine bay, clean dust out of spaces, things like that. When I was doing the battery on the Navigator, it definitely came in handy to get into those spaces, those tight spaces. So I'll show you this a little more in person. So we have a power switch here, okay? And then we have a speed, and I'm gonna just basically power it on. You can hear it running. It's got a little ramp mode. And you can, don't know if you can see this. Absolutely. Double tap to power it off. The cone, again, like I said, was removable. And it's got all of the powers. So cleaning tools, you can, a lot of people don't like to see clean tools, but you know, you get this crap in it. Simply, without any oil, power this thing on. You can get into all the crevices, right, in the back, or 3D printer poop. All right, well, I'm gonna put it away. I'm the JakeOfALL. If you guys wanna find one of these for yourself, or if you wanna see me take one of these apart and cram one of these inside of a Milwaukee tool-like carcass, comment below. But check the description again below to get one for yourself, and I get to actually say on this video, I'm gonna go pack out with my fan. Can you clean that up? Bye.